Welcome to Car Alerts, your go-to channel for all things automotive. From the latest news to in-depth reviews, we've got you covered. Join us as we navigate the fast lane of the car world, delivering straightforward updates and insights to keep you informed and entertained. It's back. An icon returns from the past, reborn for a new generation. Buckle up, gearheads, because we're about to take a closer look at the 2025 Pontiac GTO. This isn't your grandpa's GTO. It's a perfect blend of muscle car heritage and cutting-edge technology. The first thing that grabs you is the aggressive stance. The wide fenders and sculpted hood scream power. But it's not all brute force. The flowing lines and the iconic split grille create a timeless elegance. And check out those wheels. Lightweight yet strong, they hug the road and hint at the performance capabilities lurking beneath the hood. Interior slide inside, and you're greeted by a driver-focused cockpit that oozes comfort and sophistication. Premium materials and a sleek design create an inviting atmosphere. But don't be fooled by the luxury. The instrument cluster is clear and concise, providing all the information you need to unleash the beast. And that infotainment system? It's packed with the latest technology, keeping you connected and entertained on every drive. Settle into the sculpted bucket seats, grip the leather-wrapped steering wheel, and feel the anticipation build. This is a car that begs to be driven. Now, let's talk about what truly sets the GTO apart: its legendary performance. Under the hood lies a choice of powerful V8 engines, each one a masterpiece of American muscle. We're talking about heart-pounding acceleration, exhilarating handling, and a sound that will send shivers down your spine. But the GTO isn't just about raw power. It's also about precision. Advanced suspension and steering ensure you stay in control, hugging every corner with confidence. The 2025 GTO isn't just a throwback, it's a car for the future. It comes loaded with the latest driver assistance features, keeping you safe on the road. From adaptive cruise control to blind spot monitoring, the GTO has your back. And that infotainment system? It's not just for tunes. It integrates seamlessly with your smartphone, keeping you connected to the world. Thanks for riding along with us at Car Alerts. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more updates, and ring the notification bell to stay in the loop. Until next time, drive safe and stay tuned for more thrilling car content.